5 things you need to do every day. Your daily habits make a big impact on your life, so you must have some activities which help you in leading to the right path in life. Everyone wants to be successful, but everyone does not become successful due to their daily habits. Here are 5 things which you must do daily to have a productive and healthy life. Let's start the video. First habit, sleep at the decided time. Your next day totally depends on your prior day-night schedule. If you plan out to sleep at 10 p.m. then do follow it, or, if you're not comfortable with your decided schedule for sleeping, then experiment with different times. But when you find out your best time for sleep, then do follow it properly to have a healthy life. Second habit, exercise on regular basis. Again, I am saying you to exercise because it is a fuel that charges your body. Exercising on regular basis requires very little effort and will give you a huge amount of returns in the future. Exercising is one of the great habits you can adopt today, which will be fruitful for you. Third habit, read daily. Books are food for your brain, don't keep your brain hungry. Fix its appetite by supplying knowledge on a daily basis. Fourth habit, be on time. No one likes to wait in this busy world, so don't be late, as no one wants to work with people who don't know the value of time. Fifth habit, stop comparing and saying bad about others. Comparison and negativity are killers of happiness. Please don't do a comparison of one person to another person, as this can make them demotivated. When you speak badly about the person, then you firstly tell your low status, and secondly you become a reason for someone's death by prompting them to suicide. Because many people are not able to face criticism and they end their life. You can mind your words and mentality, which will provoke a healthy society. Conclusion of this video. No one is perfect and doesn't try to be perfect. Just try to love all and follow your heart and implement few changes to your life, and you will live a happy life which everyone desires. Question for the audience. What is one thing you love to do daily? Tell me in the comments. Purpose of this channel. We aim at self-improvement. If that sounds interesting to you, then join us and increase your worth with us. Be a part of the change, and be a part of our extended family by subscribing to the channel. Thanks for your precious time, see you back here soon.